5:26 a.m. and it's a very peaceful day in Diani, and I want you guys to take you along with me on my slow mornings. So currently I'm trying to be really intentional with my mornings, like be active, not just my mornings but my days, like making sure I have something to do always every day. Even if I'm not working, I make sure I'm creating content, like something useful that at the end of the day I can sit back and like say, oh, today I did this. I don't know how I'm functioning right now. I haven't had my morning coffee and I'm lazy. And please don't judge me, don't judge me. I'm thinking whether I should use the French press or just instant coffee, because I don't know if I can go very long without having coffee. Anyway, let me see. I just need some little caffeine. It's either coffee or tea. I need just something instant and quick for me just to get this feeling out. Maybe I'll do a quick one. Like something is happening and everything is like that. None of that has ever mattered in that relationship. That's something we're living. Documents hizi zipata leo. Sasa vipi? Transfer nyingine ya Alhamisi. Good morning. Title lile ya Ukunda. Ofisi ya Kwale ama Ukunda? So a little change of plans. I won't be going to Kwale anymore because everything that was supposed to take me to Kwale, like I can do it today. I needed to receive some money to go to Kwale. I needed someone to refund me my money back and give me my documents, of which they say it can happen today. And then I was going to pick a title for my client, but luckily enough it's in Diani, so yeah, probably I might be going to Kwale tomorrow, or I might not be going to Kwale at all. Or I might be going because I need to go pick the documents tomorrow. I need to go get my documents tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow, Tuesday, 28th, I might be going to Kwale. So change of plans, and I need to call my sister to help me find a Halloween costume. What time it is right now. I think it's around 11. I'm trying to look at the clock. Anyway, I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm thinking I might just be having lunch. And after that, I'll put the wash on, then do my skincare routine, take a shower, and just relax with a movie before I head out to go pick my title deed from somewhere in Diani. So it's not a big wash as I was expecting. I thought that I'll have like a very big colored wash. But I think I'll just separate because I have like 3 towels I need to clean, and should I call it a duvet? It's not as easy as a duvet, so I'll wash those separately, then just do the light clothes separately. I told you it's a beautiful day in Diani today, and as you can see, it is a beautiful day. I checked off most of the stuff from the bucket from my list of things to do today. I only have to go pick something up from Ukunda. Those who don't know me, I'm Claudia Wanjiru, and I'm a land surveyor and an environmental associate. You can contact me at Diani Land Office. I'll just leave the contact in the description box below in case you need anything, any of my services. I do land survey. I'll list all my services on the description box.